Blueprint Registry tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a wedding website for free and also a wedding registry using Blueprint. All you'll need to do is go onto blueprintregistry.com. From there, you can choose to either build a wedding website or you can choose to start a wedding registry. For example's sake, you can tap on Build a Wedding Registry. After doing that, you will be redirected to this page. Once on your website page, what I want you to do, you can tap on Website Templates and you can select the template that you would like to use. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this template. I can select the template. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Edit Website from the top navigation bar. Once you have done that, you can start making changes. For example, you can go over to the left-hand menu option. You can tap on Welcome Title and Details, and you can change the welcome title right there, and you can add in the details of when you're getting married and also the location. After doing that, you will tap on Save at the bottom of the page. Once you have done that, you will scroll down. You can add in couple's story, so you can type in the story of how you and your partner met, and you can upload a cover image right here, then tap on Save. And this will remove the current cover image that is there. You could also toggle on an event countdown timer if you want. Then you can tap on button details and you could edit the button color. And by scrolling down, you can see different options from the left hand column. For example, you can select schedule and then you'll see the schedule has been added right there. Another thing that you can also do is if you would like to toggle on RSVP, allowing persons to RSVP for your wedding, you can do that right there by toggling it on. You can also start your registry. So you can either choose to start a registry now using Blueprint Registry, or you can tap on Import Existing Registries. And then from there, you could import an existing registry. For example, if you have one already on Blueprint Registry, or you would like to add one from Amazon or so on, you can do that. Let's say we were to tap on Start Your Registry. After doing that, you will tap on Create Registry right here. Once you have tapped on Create Registry, you will be redirected to a new page. And on this new page, this is how your registry page looks at the moment. You can add your image here by tapping on Upload Profile Photo. You can also change the cover photo by tapping on Cover Photo. You could change it. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you have a few options. Again, you could tap on Import Registry. After tapping on Import Registry, all you'll need to do is tap on Import Registry right there. Then you can select the retailer, whether that be Amazon.com, Babies or Us, whichever one of these options you can select it. And then after doing that, you'll scroll down and you can put in the registry ID, then tap on Import Registry and follow the next step. It's as easy as that to add a registry from an external platform. After doing that, you can tap on Cash Registry from the top navigation bar. After selecting Cash Registry, you can see different options. So let's say we were to tap on Honeymoon Funds. After selecting Honeymoon Funds, you can either select Custom Cash Gift or Honeymoon Fund. You can see different options you can select. Let's say we were to select this one, and we can change the amount that we'd want to 1,000 for example's sake. After doing that, you can also enable group gifting. Then we'll tap on Add to Registry. After selecting Add to Registry, you can continue adding more options. So you can see different options that are recommended right there. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on Shop by Room. And this is where you can accept gifts for different areas. So for example, you can select kitchen and you can see different kitchen items that you may want. So you can add those to your registries also, and you can tap on Add from any store. And this is where you'll be able to add stuff from different platforms. If you want, you can add them to your Blueprint registry. Once everything is finished and to your liking, we're going to go back. We're going to go back by tapping on Registry from the top navigation bar, and you can see how our registry looks at the moment. And we're going to also toggle on Cash Registry. After everything is to your liking, you'll be able to track the gift right there. So you can tap on Gift Tracker and this is where you'll be able to see what persons have gifted you thus far. And if they have gifted you money, you'll be able to receive it via bank transfer or PayPal, as you can see right there. Now all you'll need to do is tap on website. After selecting website, you'll be redirected to your website and you can toggle on registry. After toggling on registry, you could tap on share website URL, and then you can copy the link and you'll now be able to share it, and persons will be able to purchase or contribute something on your registry. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.